my name's Aaron with Exterior Pro. We're in our shop over in Indiana, and in this video I'm going to explain a little bit about hot air welding and how we do hot air welding on our flat roofing membranes. Now, hot air weld is the idea that we're going to take hot air or heat and use it to seam together our flat roofing membranes. So if we had these two pieces here to make a seam, we would use hot air, and this would make the permanent watertight seam there, and it would not require any kind of glue or caulking or chemicals to make that seam. So how do we do that? We do it with a couple of different tools. One is a hand tool made for detail work, and another one is a walk-behind welder made for bigger, longer runs. You don't have to bend over to do it. You don't have to get on your knees. It's a very nice machine. So let me give you a little bit of an idea about what a hot air welder does. Hot air welder blows, there's a heating element here, blows hot air with a fan out of the tip. So we use that, we put that between the two sheets, and we weld. Basically, the PVC membrane that we're going to use is going to heat up and weld about somewhere between 250 and 300 degrees. It is going to basically temporarily melt the membrane, the bottom side of this one to the top side of this one. It's going to basically turn it into a liquid for a split second. And there, right during that time, we're there with a roller to push those two liquefied membranes together. Right when our heat leaves it, it starts to instantly cool. Within about 10 seconds, it's at full strength. And that weld is permanent. It's not going anywhere. It has no glue, no caulking. Those two pieces have become one. Right? So for detail work, we need to weld detail stuff. We use a small handgun like this. This handgun will let us get up and down around the roof. You can get down around HVAC units, flashing, stuff hard to reach areas. It's a great tool. This is what we use. Like I told you, for our longer runs, we've got a walker welder or a robot. This is self-propelled, so we can take the back of this welder. Right? We can turn on the airflow, the heat, and the speed. We make a combination of that. We set the welder up, we engage it between the sheets, and the welder will automatically start to walk. Now, once we've got this set up, this thing can weld 7, 8, 9, 10 feet a minute, depending on the day and the membrane thickness. But this is a very good tool to do hot air welding. And the heat guns, the smaller portable guns, like again, is what we use more for our trims. But a hot air weld is the preferred method of seaming sheets together today. It's permanent, it's watertight, there's no risk of fire, there's no open flame. It's just a very good all-around way to seam flat roofing sheets together. All right, I just used this handgun to weld these two strips of membrane together. I kind of want to show you what a weld would look like. You saw us weld. This whole strip is welded together. Now, if I take my hands and I push on these two, I try to pull them apart, what's going to happen is you're going to see that they are permanently connected. So basically, this is what a good weld would look like. It had to destroy the membrane to get these two to come apart. That's what I was talking about when the bottom side of this one and the top side of this one instantly turn into a liquid for a split second. We roll them together, they fuse, and it's a permanent bond. It's not ever going to be broken. It doesn't rely on glue, so moisture won't affect it. This could sit in ponding water, could sit submerged in water for the life of the membrane, 15, 20, 25 years covered in water. That's similar to like what a pool liner would be. It's not going to go anywhere. You can see how this weld is. It has to destroy these membranes to get it apart, and that's why hot air welding is one of the preferred methods of attachment of seaming these sheets together in the flat roofing industry today.